The kit that I am using is from Planner K, and this is kit 730. I just chose the typical 4th of July kit here, and then I always get her second sheet as well as her third sheet for those extra covers. And then this is from Can Plans, and so I took this out in case I want to add a little decoration. But I did had bought this Maxi Life one, I think this is for the 7x9, to see if it would fit a little bit better or how it would go, because I'm trying to find other sticker places because I only pick from Planner Kate. But I've been debating if if I should switch. See, because they're not centered all the way, it would have some gap on the side. So I don't know, because then I like Planner Kate's, just her functionality of everything that she includes. But I'm debating if I should or should not, because like I said, it's not going to cover the whole page and she doesn't provide any other washi tape. So maybe I won't use these, but I'll keep them out because she does have like washi tape there. I like that a little bit better. I like these, but obviously it's not made for this planner, so we'll see. And so the best thing about creating your own stickers is, while I did mock up this monthly to match the Happy Planner, because like I said, Planner Kate is the only one that does these stickers to my liking for the monthly, I had to mock up the Happy Planner. But I'm thinking in the future here, I might start making my own stickers again, and then that way the sizing wouldn't matter because I would be matching it to my sizing. So if I decided to go with like a Moxie Life or Paper Plum Planner or something more universal that I feel, why am I putting Monday? I am a Sunday starter. Oops, I almost put Monday down. There we go. Now this is Thursday. That was gonna throw me off completely, but good thing that her Planner Kate stickers are removable, so that was an easy fix. And I do like that you're able to customize like this, because if you are a Sunday starter, Monday starter, you don't have an issue trying to pick a kid or trying to like hand plan hers or print it on there. And I don't think she gives you the option if you want a Monday start, honestly, but that's cute on there. And the only reason I mostly always grab it, but I need to get better at using everything else, is this sidebar. I don't know what it is. I just like using it. I just feel like it completes the planner look. So I'm going to use this Independence Day one because I like it better. So I use that there. I don't know when Canada Day is, so we're not going to do that. I did like this one, but she only gives you one little one. So we will use this one, I guess, for down here. That's looking super cute. I'm gonna add this one from Can Plan over here, and I add this bicycle one down here. I will use these from Planner Kate to cover up those extra days like that. But I know we're not doing too much. I'm gonna add this little car right here. Hopefully I have no plans. Do I have plans on the 12th? Nope, I do not. So that should be fine there. Cute little flowers down here. Not do that, but I'll do it right here. There we go. Okay, we get trash day every week, but recycling is every other week. So we had it on the 18th, which means that it will be again on the 2nd and the 16th. And we would get one on the 30th. Just nope, Hankin does not provide one. So we'll do a normal trash day one. And hopefully that reminds me. Now for my work, we get trash pickup every other week. So that would be on the 8th and on the 26th. So I put those there to kind of remind me so I don't forget. I was debating on not using and just putting down birthdays with the little balloon, but I think I'm still gonna highlight it like that. Add this little balloon, and then I will add, because this is her birthday, we have another birthday for my cousin Myra on the 16th. We'll do that up here. We have another balloon. I will put it in. I'm not taking my mom to her appointment, but my dad I am, and that is at 2:30 if I remember correctly. I gotta look up my appointments at 2:15. Okay. So we got my dad on Wednesday. My kids are fighting. I have this little doctor one, so I will put those there. And then my baby girl turns 3. So we will use this one and we'll put it down here. I have one more balloon left, and this is for my little girl. Liliana turns 3. I'm gonna grab this little box right here because she is having church, and her church will be at 2 p.m. I don't think it's at 2. I need to call and confirm because in my head I'm thinking it's 4, but I might be wrong. And then the next week we have her birthday party. Okay, I have a board meeting from 12 to 1:30 on the 28th. And then Liliana has her three years, and then Francisco has his 1.5 year checkup. So it's at 1:15, and this will be for both kids. Okay. Didn't like how that was writing, so and that is on the 30th, so I have to make sure I leave work early. That's everything that I have so far. I will keep the date dots off this month. I'll see how I like that, and if I want to add them I can always add it in on a later date. I add this back in my planner. Loving this planner right now. I love it because it feels very sturdy. This looks cute in here too. It goes nice with the gold. I always have a hard time with what I like here versus when you get into the planning. I think this works pretty good, but now that we have a lot of that already figured out, we can go ahead and add some of these stickers just to spice it up a little bit. I am gonna take this barbecue one and just put it down here. This cute little donut. And yeah, I'm not gonna add this or that flag because I already have one there. Okay, that's everything for this month. I hope you, I'm gonna take this out so it doesn't look so blurry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also make sure to hit that notification bell button so you guys get notified every time I post a video, because it is so random, you don't want to miss out.